Hi guys, in this video we will repair the rear window regulator mechanism. It means that the roller mainly failed here. And to replace it, we need to unscrew the screws and remove the window motor. Friends, but before starting the video, subscribe to the channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel. As you can see, the roller broken in this spot. Friends, since I didn't have any rollers, I will show the assembly on the old one. Now guys, we need to turn the rollers and put them in place. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.